Ni mirurungano ya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku iria yahariririo ni mbeũ njithi makiria rika ria Gen Z makimenereria thirikari gwitua njahe kiumbirira na kuria hehetwo kigina kia muingi guku Kenya magitindikiririo murigo tathiraga wa magoti. Mutaratara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 uria wendekithagia magoti meru makurehera bururi kigina gia ciringi bilioni 360 ukiarahura marakara ma Wanjiku agitigwo atari na wikio tiga kumira barabara-ini kuona na arugamiriri yake bunge-ini matiiguaga kiriro giake. Thutha wa mirurungano eno iria ikarire ta kiumia kimwe kiria kiarumirire ni moimirira makiria ma wonjoria bururi ukirika kugurara wonjoria. Riboti ya mwaka ya ruhonge rwa ndari rwa KNBS ikionania ati utonga wa bururi waguire kuma gicunji kia 5.7 harĩ igana mwaka-ini wa 2023 nginyagia 4.7 harĩ igana mwaka-ini muhituku.
In the last year it reduced. The production reduced from 47.6 bags to 44.7 bags.
Imwe cia honge iria cihatererekire muno ni ruhonge rwa waki wa manyumba ruria rwatirukire na gicunji kia 2 harĩ igana, ruhonge rwa uremi rugitiruka na 4.2 harĩ igana, guko naguo kombori wa nyumba ugitiruka na gicunji kia 20 harĩ igana. Kumana na nditi cia mwaka ucio miaka ya mawira nawe githie thi kuma miaka 1848 mwaka-ini wa 2026 nginyagia miaka 1742 mwaka-ini wa 2024 gikiari kionereria kia ati ya Kenya na ne makambuni ni mahatererekete na njira nene.
These challenges strained employers, reduced productivity and hindered job creation. They also led to many cases of redundancies, the closure of many enterprises and overall difficulty on the part of employers to meet the compliance requirements, particularly under the Employment Act 2007 on the 1/3 rule, which basically says that employees should take home 1/3 of their salary as net pay.
Kurigana na Minister wa Kigina John Badi, urugare wa ndugamano ya mirurungano eno wacungiririe bururi kurugama kiwonjoria kwa ihinda ritanyihiirie mieri 2 undu uria wacungiririo na bururi kurenga mahuthiro maguo na gikiro kinene.
That affected revenue collection. But worse still is that external finances, we have not been able to receive external finances until now. Fortunately now the doors are opening for external resources.
Kurigana na Mbadi thina uria warumirire ni Kenya gutiruka harĩ ikiro cia ukinyaniru wa kuheo ngombo ni honge cia kimbeca cia kimabururi. Mbadi akiuga thina uyu no raiguika nginyagia umuthi uyu Kenya gicuhurwo ikiro-ini cia honge cia kimabururi ta IMF undu umwe na bengi ya thi.
Actually, when I gave this commitment in December, I was very sure that we were going to get external resources by February, March. Unfortunately, that has delayed. On IMF program, you know, the 7th and 8th review delayed. 7th review was supposed to come in March. It didn't happen last year. May, it didn't happen. July, that didn't happen. September, it didn't happen. It happened in November. And that is the time we combined 7th and 8th review.
Kuna mawatho meru maria matanyaga gukinyaniria ungania wa magoti matiakinyanirio, ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA rugitigwo gwatini wa kuremwo ni gukinyaniria muigana wa magoti uria rwatanyaga kungania kionereria kiega kia undu uyu ari gucenjio kwa matanya ma ungania wa magoti maita 3 harĩ mwaka turi wa kigina. Ona gutuika mwaka uyu mutaratara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2025 ni urikitie kuhitukio bunge-ini, thirikari igekunya gutu ikirega kurehe mawatho maruru ma ungania wa magoti meru gwa munene uria ati bururi waya gwikora haria wari mwaka muhituku. Riu KRA ikihocia mwihoko wayo wa ungania wa magoti hari kuongerera itariri ya rehi ya magoti guku bururi-ini. Hadi ni Kameme TV retora kone bataru wa Mwagi.